Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap here on the display section. After that, scroll down to the screen record section, and now here to activate the screen touches, we should click here only once on the switcher, and if you want to turn off them again, you should click here on this checkbox again. And also we have the second way how we can launch the screen recording settings. We should open the notification panel here. Okay, why it doesn't work? And after that, somewhere here you should find the screen record icon. In my case it's here, and after that just hold for a while this icon. Oh no, not just to simply touch, just hold it for a while, and after that you'll open the same screen recording settings, and now we can turn on and turn off the screen touches. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.